Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing good. So let me tell you my name. My name is Archana. I am working as a consultant and I have worked upon various modules of ServiceNow, and I'm trying to make videos and share knowledge how much I can. Sorry, I was not able to make videos from long time. I was engaged with a very crucial thing in my life. I was not getting time at all. Sorry once again, but I'll try to post videos from now. So let's get started without any delay. Okay guys, so a lot of people were asking me about ServiceNow real-time project. So I thought of starting with explaining real-time project lifecycle. So basically I'm going to explain if any developer start working on ServiceNow development in organization, how they approach to work upon, how they get started. Whole life cycle I'm going to explain. So basically, if any of the requirement is coming from customer, BA will gather the requirement. So BA will connect with the customer and try to understand the requirement, and he will be creating the project part of demand. He'll break the requirement into the pieces, and for each individual requirement, he will be creating the stories. And stories will be basically assigned to developer. And along with that, for that particular project he will assign resources to that. If that requirement is huge, he will assign maybe 2 3 developers for that particular project, and stories will be distributed and assigned to developers. And if a requirement is medium level, only one developer can also take care of that. Then that project will be assigned to that developer, and all the stories will be taken care by developer. So this is how project get started, and development work will be started. So when we are following the agile methodology in our organization, what happens, stories will be tagged to the sprint, and each sprint will go like for the release every after 2 weeks. So whatever stories are added to the corresponding sprint, it has to be completed, and those stories development, whatever happened, the development happened part of those story will go live in each sprint. Okay, so now we will try to understand, like, once developer start working on it and development part is completed, then what will happen. So once developer completed his or her work, and if it is ready, so what we do, developer will update the state as ready for testing, and then testing team comes into the picture. So first developer will complete the story requirement into the development instance, so it has to be migrated from development to test. So like the responsible team will migrate the update set from dev to test, and then testing team will come into the picture. Testing team will test the whole scenario, whole requirement into the test environment, and then once it is passed, it will move to the stage UAT environment. And if customer is happy with the implementation, customer is satisfied with the requirement, they can give go ahead. So that story can be added to the sprint. So then like it has already added to the sprint, it will add it to the release, it will get added to the release. So first, in the first step only we decide like this many stories has to be added into the coming forthcoming sprint, and then developer will start working on that. Once it is completed, UAT passes, it will be added to the release so it can go live. Okay, so one like after release, like once release is done, it will move to the production and it will go to the live. Okay, so this is how whole life cycle you know work, and you could say we follow this whole life cycle to complete any of the requirement. This is the whole life cycle of project, how projects gets created, how stories get associated with the project. So once all the stories are completed by developer, project will also get completed, and we deliver the whole requirement to the customer, and we close the project, right? So this one I just explained you verbally what is the process, how it happens in any of the organization. Now I would like to show you how we can do that. So it will be very helpful for BA as well as developer, so they know the process, how it is done. So for this we need ITBM module to be installed in our instance. We are going to utilize PPM, project portfolio management. I'm going to explain how you can install this plugin, and if you have to create this project and stories, if you have to assign the resources, how you can do that. I'm going to showcase this into my next video. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.